Here is the rear fender, and you can see where the shading is a little bit off. Well, this is what's called modeling, or it's not doing the paint job correctly. But you have to remember that the license plate will cover from here all the way down to about 3 inches to the bottom and over, so I put a little extra inside there, and the license plate has to be custom put on. I did the back of this fender, and it's got a little bit of this white crap you see on here. That's just a little lint coming off the trees, the linden trees, as that song Underneath the Linden Trees by, I forget, well, some band in Poland or somewhere, Czechoslovakia. Really, it's a really catchy song. So this is going to be okay. It will shrink further within 24 hours. Remember, when you put paint or anything on your fenders or whatever you put them on, that matter can neither be created nor destroyed. Which means that as this lacquer thinner is evaporating, this paint is shrinking little by little by little, and it will shrink more, and it will it'll become less pronounced. Hopefully it's what we call flashing out in the paint business. It means where the color is either a little darker or a little lighter. There's a lot of rich people out today. There are airplanes. I love airplanes and everything. It's just I can't edit the sound out of the videos because I don't know how to fucking edit. I'm too damn old. Maybe I'll get my daughter, but she won't do it for under. She's 14 and won't do anything for under 20 bucks. I tell you, these kids today are lazy, and they're too damn expensive. For all you parents out there, you know exactly what I'm saying. So Project DIO is coming along. I'm out here in the sun with my custom made I don't know if you can see this, but I don't know if you want to see this. I'm getting a suntan. I still got all my hair. I'm waiting for it to go completely gray, and I'm happy. So I guess I can just say I'm doing something I love, and I'm happy. All right, DIOSpeedDEMON signing off.